Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these 2-pack of replacement controllers for Xbox 360. These are wired, and these can be used also on PC. And this is how they look like once that you take them out of the box. The buttons are really easy to use, like they don't get stuck or anything. And this is the USB cable that you will be using to connect them to your Xbox or your computer in the case that you are using another device. So here we are demonstrating the controllers and see how well they are working. It's really nice. They have also like a light up feature on the remote as well. So I love them, and this is how we are using them. This is a PC that we are using with this remote, and this is how we are connecting the remote. And here, as you can see, this is the LED light that we have right here, and we can just switch and change the game right here using our remote control.